And a lot to get to. Good evening. I'm Christy Casciano.
I'm Jeff Kulikowski. Breaking news: Excellus Blue Cross Blue Shield and St. Joseph's Health agreeing to an extension, continuing its contract past the December 31st deadline.
News Channel 9's Andrew Donovan joining us from outside of St. Joseph's Hospital right now. Andrew, what happens next?
Well, Jeff and Christy, the companies will continue negotiating, but they have a little bit longer to do that without any disruption to their shared patients. Tens of thousands of people are impacted by this, impacted by what had been a December 31st deadline for Excellus and St. Joseph's Health to reach an agreement that would extend coverage into the future. But because that deal isn't done yet, patients were nervous that on December 31st, as they've been warned, coverage would slowly start to fade away because there was a cooling off period which would give some wiggle room, but not much. So now, tonight, in the last few minutes, we've learned that the companies, to keep negotiating, have extended the deal for 2 more months. That means the disruption will be delayed for 2 months. That means the negotiations can continue for 2 months. So instead of the last day of December, it's now the last day of February. And that will give these companies more time to work on this to hopefully avoid disruption altogether. Christy and Jeff.
All right, Andrew, so development there, but still no agreement has been reached between Aetna and St. Joseph's Health. The insurance company telling us the sides are still in talks as the year-end deadline approaches. We have reached out to Aetna. They did get back to us saying in part, quoting now, "We are hopeful that we will reach an agreement that keeps them in our networks while keeping health care services affordable for our members and health plan sponsors," end quote. And we're told unless a new agreement is reached, St. Joe's will no longer be in Aetna's network for Medicare and commercial health plans in 2025.